Oggi navigheremo su uno yacht grandissimo.
Today we sail on a very large and wonderful yacht. It is built by an Italian shipyard of the Ferretti Group, Custom Line, and its name is Navetta 42, 41.8 metres long, equivalent to 137 feet, 8.1 metres wide, spread over 4 different decks, all with internal heights of more than 2 metres.
Tutti con altezze interne superiori ai 2 metri.
Designed by the Zuccon International Project with the Ferretti Group's Strategic Product Committee and Engineering Department.
Ci sono diversi cantieri che producono super yacht di questa.
There are several yards that produce super yachts of this size, and to distinguish themselves, Custom Line has thought about which characteristics to develop in order to enhance the value of this model. Let's try to think about what we would like. To see the whole world, and they manage to reach an autonomy that allows them to cross the oceans.
Stare comodissimi. Pensate che la
It is very comfortable. Just think that the owner's cabin is more than 50 square meters.
Vivere rilassati e hanno realizzato
You
paratie.
can live relaxed. They have made soundproof bulkheads and floating floors.
Godersi il mare.
Enjoy the sea, and they have built the beach club and garage at water level. But now let's go and see all of it, and if you do not like it, do not worry. Just remember that we are just spectators. If instead you're thinking to buy it, do not worry anyway, because they can customize as you want. The bow area has a living space of 50 square meters. The bow garage can hold a tender up to 3 meters in length, or a jet ski. The beach club is close to 30 square meters, and inside they have also installed a bathroom. The side garage can accommodate a Williams 625 tender. It is semi-floating, with the hatch opening up. Go up one floor, there is an outdoor dining area for at least 10 people, and inside, a living room with sofas and armchairs, in addition to another living area. Towards the bow is the commander's cabin that has direct access to the helm. But we're not finished yet. Above, there is the sun deck with fully customizable areas. It has a length of 18 meters and a total area of 92 square meters, covered by the hardtop. Aft, the furniture is freestanding, the dining area is in the centre, and towards the bow there is the bar, with a more welcoming living area. Have you seen how big this boat is? But we still have much more to show you. It's time for a break. The cockpit can be set up as desired by the owner. Are you ready to suffer a strong attack of envy? We are about to enter the main hall. What a living room! And the dining area is definitely formal. Here you have dinner in evening dress. The 2 side windows can be opened, and there are even balconies. Below deck there are 4 double cabins, or if you prefer, they can have single beds. The comfort level does not change. All have a bathroom and walk-in closet. From this, which is the lower deck, you can go up to the upper deck with the elevator. But we stop on the main deck to go see the owner's cabin. Try to count my steps to understand how big the presidential apartment is. If space is luxury, here we are all beyond all reasonable wealth. In front of the bed there would be another bed or maybe a sofa. Then there are 2 walk-in closets, a dream bathroom and a balcony. The crew rooms include 3 double cabins for 6 members. The laundry can become a 4th crew cabin. Then there is the dining area with kitchen and storage area. The first Navetta 42 was equipped with 2 1,470 horsepower Caterpillar C32 engines. Like big merchant ships, this hull is also equipped with a bulbous bow that serves to reduce the hydrodynamic resistance. The hull, in fact, is semi-planing. Here in the wheelhouse, the atmosphere is fantastic. It does not even seem like we're moving. We are still and in total silence. This is due to the construction, with decks that have been made floating, but also due to an elastic joint along the transmission line that reduces the vibrations of the propulsion. We have inserted the stabilizing fins that are very big, 3 square meters each, and they work to reduce the rolling both at the bottom and on the sea. This is a good cruising speed for long voyages, 10 knots, engines at 1,270 RPM, and total consumption of exactly 100 litres per hour. Now the calculation is easy. With 37,000 litres, you can sail for 370 hours, and 10 knots means 3,700 miles. You can cross the Atlantic Ocean. They have dedicated a great deal of attention to making this unit very silent. The systems have been placed in areas that are less harmful for noise, to leave the quietest cabins possible. And to each plant, a special soundproofing system has been dedicated. On the helm to control the navigation functions and the propulsions, and also the entire hotel, i.e. all the onboard systems, there are 5 displays, 2 touchscreens, and this here in front, which has a shape that I've never seen, elongated, so I can see a lot of features, because it is quite large, but it is not too high and does not block the view. There is a radar, which, like much of the other onboard equipment, is the same used by commercial ships, approved by SOLAS, because this, let's not forget, is a pleasure boat. We are at 13 knots, 1,750 RPM, and at this speed, after we verified that there are no boats around us, we try to turn. The rudder is very precise and it is also very soft, as is sailing on this delicate yacht.
Delicata. Così tanto timone.
It has so much rudder that in 100 meters of diameter, it manages to close the turn. It's fantastic.
Ho messo le manette al massimo.
And ready to go full speed, the engines have reached 2,280 RPM and the speed is 15.9 knots. 16 knots, more than what the shipyard states.
Quando guardiamo questi grandi yacht rimaniamo stupiti dalla loro
When we look at these big
maestosità.
yachts, we are amazed by their majesty, their beauty, furnishing solutions. But we must not forget the importance of the builder's ability to make it safe and a comfortable residence, maybe to travel the world.
Magari per girare il mondo.